Should we eat butter and animal fat or not? Some say it's beneficial because it's natural. Others say it poses a risk of heart attack. But what's the truth? There's no simple answer to this question. Let's examine it scientifically and carefully. First, let's look at what saturated fats are. Fats that are usually solid at room temperature and are found in animal foods such as butter, lard, fatty meats, and full-fat dairy products. For years, we've been told that these fats are dangerous and cause heart disease. But new research has shown something interesting. Saturated fats can raise LDL cholesterol, but not all LDL is bad. They even raise HDL, or the good cholesterol, which is good for your heart. When we eat a fatty food, the fat enters the intestines, is broken down and absorbed, and then travels through the lymphatic system to the liver. The liver then decides whether to convert this fat into energy, use it to make hormones, or incorporate it into cell membranes. So why do some people say saturated fat is bad? The problem comes when we eat saturated fat with sugar and refined carbohydrates. Like a hamburger with white bread and soda, this combination causes insulin to spike and fat to be stored. But the same hamburger without bread and with salad does not cause any particular problem. Now let's take a look at the saturated fats we should avoid. 1. Processed meats like sausages and hot dogs, which are full of preservatives and salt. 2. Industrial sweets made with hydrogenated vegetable butters. 3. Industrially fried foods that are fried multiple times in used oils and cause inflammation in the body. But not all saturated fats are bad. Here are some healthy sources of saturated fats. Natural dairy, which has probiotics and aids in digestion. Organic butter, which has beneficial vitamins. Local eggs, which have more omega-3s. Grass-fed meat, which has more nutrients. Coconut oil, which has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Now the real question, how much saturated fat should we eat? Experts recommend that no more than 10% of daily calories come from saturated fat. This amount varies from person to person, but it should not be consumed in excess. Saturated fat is not for everyone. It is best to consult your doctor if you are in these groups. People with heart disease, people with high cholesterol, people with fatty liver, people with chronic inflammation or diabetes. So what's the final answer? Saturated fat is a double-edged sword. It can be beneficial, but only if it comes from healthy sources, is consumed in moderation, and is combined with the right foods. Most importantly, your lifestyle should allow for this type of fat. Exercise, a balanced diet, and controlling sugar and carbohydrates play a major role in the impact of saturated fat. What do you think? Have you ever used saturated fats in your diet? Do you have any experience? Write to me in the comments. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next videos. Until the next video, stay healthy and fit.